everyone will ask why you're working so hard. And after you win, everyone will remind you how lucky you got. Holy fuck, dude.
You know what's funny? It's okay. So I didn't know that's where the quote was going to go. I thought it was going to go, before you win, everyone asks you why you're working so hard. After you win, everyone asks you why you're working so hard.
Both of those work.
Right.
Yeah, and it's true, but I think in both of those situations, both of those things are true. In both of them, before you win, everyone will ask you why you're working so hard. There's no proof that this is going in the right direction. You don't have any evidence that you're actually even good at this thing. The likelihood of a positive outcome is incredibly low. And after you win, have you not yet reached escape velocity where you don't need to do this anymore? Why are you capital